Have you ever caught yourself daydreaming about that one big adventure? You know, the kind of experience that makes your heart race with excitement and your soul whisper, yes, this is what I'm meant to do. Maybe it's something you've been putting off, waiting for the perfect time. But here's a little secret. The perfect time rarely just shows up. You have to create it. And today we're diving into how to plan and make that bucket list adventure a reality. Hi, I'm Lynn, and welcome to Life Reimagined with Lynn. This is the 9th episode in our series, Challenging the Ordinary, and I couldn't be more excited to talk about bucket list adventures. These are the dreams that make life feel bigger, richer, and more meaningful. The ones that remind you that there's so much more out there waiting to be explored. And whether your bucket list includes climbing a mountain, walking through the streets of Paris, or learning to surf, I'm here to help you take that dream and turn it into an unforgettable experience. Let's start with why bucket list adventures matter so much. It's not just about ticking something off a list. It's about pushing yourself, embracing new experiences, and discovering what you're truly capable of. These adventures have a way of expanding your horizons and reigniting your sense of wonder. And the best part, they don't have to be extravagant or expensive. Your bucket list is yours, and it can include anything that feels exciting, meaningful, or just plain fun. The first step to planning a bucket list adventure is giving yourself permission to dream big. Forget about the logistics for the moment and let your imagination run wild. What's something you've always wanted to do but haven't yet? Maybe it's traveling to far-off destinations, taking a hot air balloon ride, or even something as simple as hiking a local trail you've never explored. Write it all down. Every wild, crazy, and seemingly impossible idea. This is your chance to dream without limits. Once you've created your list, take a moment to think about what excites you the most. Which idea gives you the little flutter of excitement that makes you smile just thinking about it? That's the one to focus on first. Remember, you don't have to tackle your entire bucket list all at once. Start with one adventure and let the momentum build from there. And here's the crucial step that so many people overlook. Set a date. Pick a day, mark it on your calendar, and commit to it. When you choose a specific date, your dream stops being a someday idea and starts becoming real. Even if you need to adjust the date later, having something to work towards makes all the difference. That date becomes your motivator. It's what keeps you planning, saving, and preparing. Once you have your date, start breaking your dream into manageable steps. For example, if your dream is to visit Italy, your steps might include researching destinations, setting a budget, looking into flights and accommodation. If it's something closer to home like skydiving or kayaking, your step might be to find a local provider, book a date, and invite a friend to join you. One of the biggest hurdles people face with bucket list adventures is the question of time and money. Here's the thing. You don't have to be wealthy or have endless free time to make your dreams happen. With a little creativity and planning, you can make almost anything work, and you know it. For example, consider setting up a dedicated savings account for your adventure, even if you're only contributing a small amount each month. Or look for ways to combine your adventure with something practical, like a work trip or a family visit. Another tip is to be flexible and open-minded. Maybe you've always dreamed of going to Paris, but your budget doesn't quite allow it this year. Could you explore a charming, French-inspired town closer to home instead? Or perhaps you've wanted to go scuba diving, but aren't near the ocean. Try snorkeling or diving in a lake or river instead. The key is to embrace the spirit of the adventure, even if it looks a little different than you might have initially imagined. As you plan, don't forget to think about who you'd like to share the adventure with. Some bucket list items are perfect for solo exploration, while others are even more special when shared with friends or family. Imagine the joy of experiencing something incredible together and creating memories you'll treasure forever. On the flip side, if your dream adventure is something deeply personal, don't be afraid to go it alone. There's something empowering about stepping out on your own and making it happen. When it comes to the actual planning, there are so many tools to help you. Apps like TripIt or Google Maps can help organize travel logistics, while sites like Airbnb, Viator, or Groupon can uncover unique experiences and budget-friendly options. And don't overlook the power of good old-fashioned research. Books, blogs, and even recommendation from friends can provide invaluable inspiration and tips. As your adventure approaches, let yourself feel excitement. Half the fun of the bucket list experience is the anticipation. Start picturing yourself there. What will it feel like? What you'll see and the stories you'll tell when it's over. And here's an important reminder: things might not go perfectly, and that's okay. Part of the magic of the adventure is embracing the unexpected and rolling with whatever comes your way. I always figure that nothing will go perfect. So whatever happens is part of the adventure. After your adventure, take some time to reflect and celebrate. What did you learn? How did it make you feel? And of course, don't forget to document your journey, whether it's through photos, a journal, or a video. Capturing the experience will help you relive it and share it with others. Most importantly, let this be the beginning of many adventures. Each time you cross something off your bucket list, it opens the door to new dreams and new possibilities. You'll find the more you say yes to life, the more life says yes to you. So, my friends, are you ready to stop dreaming and start planning? I hope this episode has inspired you to take that first step towards your bucket list adventure. Remember, it's never too late to create the life you've always imagined, one extraordinary experience at a time. If you love this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below sharing what's on your bucket list or what adventure you're planning next. And check out the links in the description below for more inspiration, including my coaching program where I'll help you design a life filled with purpose, joy, and unforgettable moments. In our next episode, we're reflecting on celebrating how far you've come. It's going to be a beautiful way to honor your journey and set the stage for everything yet to come. Until then, remember, life isn't about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about creating it. Let's reimagine your life together.